let's create our first Vevox session and poll. Once I've logged in at login.vevox.com, I can click Create Session. I can name my session and press Create. This takes me straight into my session where I can start creating my polls. I click Create New, and then I can choose what type of poll I want to run, but I'm going to stick with multiple choice as it's the most used question type. I'm going to type in my question text and then pop in my choices. I'm going to copy and paste for today. Then I can decide if I have a correct answer or not. I can just click this icon, but I'm just going to press create and my poll is ready to go. Once I'm ready to start my lesson, I do need to press start session to allow my students to join. And then I can go into present full screen and we can start running our poll. Before we run the poll, we do need to get our students to join. So the joining instructions are here on the left-hand side. They can either take a picture of this QR code or go to vevox.app and type in the code on screen. Once my students have joined, I can press the play button to open my poll. And I can see that I've got 2 students connected and I now have my 2 responses. I can press stop and then we can have a look at the results. Thanks very much for listening to the video. I hope you enjoyed it.